Best laptops of August 2024 are top picks under $1,500. Finding the perfect laptop is quite a difficult task with the numerous options available in the market. If you're looking for something that's powerful, reliable, and affordable, well, you're at the right place. Gad Insider rounded up some of the best laptops one can get in August 2024, leading in performance, portability, and features, all under $1,500. It's going to aid people with different needs and budgets, from ultra-portable wonders to powerhouse machines. Here are the top laptops of August 2024. MacBook Air M3. The MacBook Air M3 puts some of the best functions that should be in any laptop, as it's equipped with a fast M3 chip, incredibly ultra-portable design, and impressively long battery life, along with a 13.6-inch display and weighing only 2.75 pounds. It's perfect for working or studying on the move. It also features 8GB or 16GB RAM, 256GB to 1TB SSD storage, 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB 4 ports, and a MagSafe power adapter. In addition to this, it houses up to 15 hours of battery life with a starting price of $1,099. Asus ZenBook 13 OLED. The Asus ZenBook 13 OLED really packs a wallop into its 13.3-inch OLED display, AMD CPU, and long battery life. Configuration options for this device include AMD Ryzen 5 or 7 CPU choices, 8GB or 16GB RAM options, and 256GB to 512GB SSD storage. In addition, this laptop also offers USB-C, USB-A, and HDMI ports with up to 15 hours of battery life. This is a good option for anyone looking for a good piece of machinery that comes under budget. The Asus ZenBook 13 OLED comes in at less than $1,000, though it's also a touch older itself. Dell XPS 15 OLED. The Dell XPS 15 OLED is the ultimate versatile laptop that strikes the balance between portability and performance. It offers a 15.6-inch display, strong performance, and an all-new sleek design. Some other features include 10th Gen Intel Core i5 or i7 CPU options, 8GB to 64GB RAM options, 256GB to 2TB SSD storage, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI ports, and up to 10 hours of battery life. This will suit the users who want a laptop that can do some heavy duties. The Dell XPS 15 OLED costs a little more at $1,099. Lenovo Chromebook Duet 3. The Lenovo Chromebook Duet 3 is an enormous, special 2-in-1 value device with its 11-inch display, Qualcomm Snapdragon chip, and detachable keyboard, making it one of the simplest use and entertainment gadgets. Moreover, it includes Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C Gen 2 CPU. RAM is 4GB or 8GB with 64GB or 128GB of eMMC storage. It will also have a USB-C port and headphone jack and offer a battery life of up to 10 hours. This laptop is priced at about $328.99. Here are the most important tips to consider when choosing a laptop. First, identify your primary uses: work, study, gaming, entertainment, and budget to narrow down your options. Choose a recent generation processor, Intel Core i5 or i7, AMD Ryzen 5 or 7, and ensure sufficient RAM, 8GB or 16GB, and storage of 256GB or 512GB SSD. Opt for a high-resolution display, Full HD or 4K, and consider a dedicated graphics card for gaming or graphics-intensive tasks. Look for a laptop with a battery life that suits your needs, at least 8 hours. Decide between Windows, Mac OS, or Chrome OS, and consider your software requirements and capability.